Xiaomi 16 and Xiaomi 16 Pro are almost half a year away from their anticipated launch, but details of these handsets have already begun to appear on the web. The Xiaomi 16 is said to sport a thin and light build. It is said to have a compact form factor with a 6.32-inch flat display with narrow bezels on all sides. The phone has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. The Xiaomi 16 powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite 2 processor. It will run on the upcoming HyperOS 3.0 UI, which is likely to be overlaid on Android 16 OS. The Xiaomi 16 will feature a 50-megapixel triple camera unit, a 50MP main sensor, and the previous rumor the Xiaomi 16 is getting a periscope telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter. It boasts a 32-megapixel front camera. The Xiaomi 16 will reportedly house a 7000 mAh or larger battery unit. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.